Hello guys, welcome back to Target Developers. My name is SHIVAM SAHU. I am a front-end engineer. If you want Angular support or freelance work or project work or online tuitions, then contact me on WhatsApp. Number is 975-224-5608. In this video today, we will see that why Appmodule.ts file not created by default in Angular 17. Today, I just explored that when we create new project in Angular 17 using Angular CLI command, then I found that by default Appmodule.ts file not exist. Here I have noticed that from Angular 17 onwards, standalone is now the new default for the CLI. So when we create a new project, Appmodule.ts file will not create. If you want to learn more about standalone component, then go to my channel video playlist. If you think Appmodule.ts file should exist when we create new project, then what will I do?